Hello everyone, this is Monica from Yihai Laser. How are you? Today I will introduce you a laser cutting tube machine. This is our standard machine of cutting tube. You can see that this machine with two chucks and the guide reel is 3.0 size. The brand of guide reel and rigs is Yihai and YYC. You can equip Recoils Max 热刺 laser generator and subcut control system. You can see that you can equip 博刺 or Recoils laser cutting head. We have equipped the tire material and loading area, so it will be very effective to separate the tire material and cutting product. Make the production be very effective. This machine supports 1000 watts to 20,000 watts laser power. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact with us. We will give you the detailed price and professional solution. Okay, it's Monica. Bye bye. See you later. Have a good time.